guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and are keeping safe. There's just one thing that I would want to say at this point of time is that we are all in this together. I think abhi ke time pe all of us are affected by this pandemic. Somebody in our family or some of our friends or somebody we know, I mean every day is kind of like a living hell. But this shall pass too. Just want to give you guys a virtual hug. Come on. Stay strong, take care of your family. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about some amazing jewelry stores on Instagram. These are recently discovered, tested and tried. The best thing, these are all women-owned small businesses. I mean, how exciting is that? Now that I have my own thrift store, I know how much of hard work it takes to, nurture a business. No matter on what level that business actually is, initially everybody starts from zero or धीरे धीरे ऊपर जाते हैं. So I can obviously relate how much of hard work, how much of everything, like a mixture of everything it takes for a small business to, establish itself in the market or, even get discovered by different people. By the way, let me just quickly introduce my own small business as well. I have recently opened an online thrift store on Instagram. The handle is right here. So if you want to, please check it out. Agar acha lage, to fir please follow and share with your friends as well. We have got some amazing pieces of clothes at really great prices, I would say. So yeah, please do check it out. It would mean the world to me. Coming back to today's topic. You all already know I love to support small businesses. I've made another video earlier on, my favorite Instagram stores, and I think most of the stores that I featured in that video were all small businesses at that point of time. So I purchased from these stores recently, सब कुछ deliver हो गया, and I thought, और जब सारा सामान डिलीवर हो गया and I saw the quality and I saw the designs, I saw how much effort, how much love was packed in each and every order that got delivered, I was like, I have to make a video on this. So here I am today with this video, and I just wanted to share these amazing stores with you guys too. Do check them out, they are amazing. They have really affordable prices for such cute, such dainty, such minimal pieces of jewelry that they have. The price range is superb. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Also, all of the handles for these stores are in the description box, so you can check them out from there directly. And I'll also mention the prices so that you guys get an idea of the price range. There are going to be 3 stores in total that I have featured in this video. So let's begin with the first one. The first store is called Sheher Lifestyle. They now have a website too, so you can just directly go to their profile. The website link is in their bio, so you can get redirected to their website from there. And trust me, they have such cute collection. I am actually planning to get a hamper from them for my sister's birthday. Yes, that's how good they are. The packaging, the jewelry pieces they have, everything is so chic, so beautiful. You feel like buying all of them. So my order came in a box like this, and this is how the insides looked. They have their logo right here, Sheher, and these are all the jewelry pieces. I got a free scrunchie, which is such a cute gesture, and I also got a personalized thank you note. You see, these are the little things that I love about small businesses. How much of effort, how much of pure love. It's like opening an order from a small business is pure bliss. That's all I can say. Cute little note says, "Hey Kriti, thank you for placing an order with us. It really means a lot. I really hope that you like the package. Please do leave a feedback." And then this small card containing all the jewelry care instructions also came. Their pieces are tarnish free, but obviously you have to do bare minimum to maintain the shine, to maintain the luster of every piece, and for that you have got a specific set of instructions right here. And I got this cute little earring as a freebie too. How cute is that? The first piece of jewelry I got from Sheher Lifestyle is this cute little vintagey necklace right over here. It has like a coin detailing, full pearls. I love pearls. Who doesn't? So I got this one, and then I got a matching bracelet so beautiful. So this is gonna match with my necklace perfectly. Can't wait to wear this. The third piece are these pair of earrings. They're really gorgeous chain design earrings. Absolutely love them. The third piece is a set of rings which looks like this. This is their celestial ring set, if I remember correctly. All the details will be in the description box, so please do check it out. If I quote anything wrong, you would find all the right information in there. This is really gorgeous too. And the last piece, this has to be my favorite. It's so cute, so dainty. It's this beautiful butterfly necklace. I got pink color in this one. They have like 4 colors in this. I got pink, and this has a very plain simple chain and then just this butterfly locket. Looks stunning, so cute. Love it. Let's move on to the second brand. The second brand is also my really favorite brand. I love their pieces. They have such minimalistic jewelry designs, like very statement jewelry, very chic, very classy. Their pieces are also tarnish free. The brand name is Shop Alak. They have an Instagram handle through which you can place your order. You can just send them a DM. And this is how my order came in this gorgeous box. It says Alak right over here. Open it. This one also has a cute little thank you note which says, "You are one of a kind and so should be your jewelry." Absolutely, can't agree more. I have already opened it because I was too damn excited. So the first piece I got from them. Look at the packaging. Oh, look at the packaging. Alright, I'm gonna obsess over the packaging whole night. So let's move on to the jewelry pieces I got from them. You guys are gonna be stunned looking at the packaging of every piece of jewelry. I found it so unique. I mean, I've never seen a packaging like this before. And so this one is a necklace. It came packed like this. Isn't it gorgeous? This is their evil eye necklace in a big paperclip chain. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen me wearing this in one of my reels that I posted recently. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So the chain is pretty long too, and it has a hook right over here. So अगर आप लोगों को length छोटी करनी है, so you can hook it up in any of these as well. These are also tarnish free. I'm sorry if I've said that already, but yeah, these are tarnish free. And just look at this gorgeous neck piece. If there's one piece of jewelry I would love to wear every day, it's gonna be this one. It's just so versatile. It's like that one statement piece of jewelry that everybody needs. I am planning to get a lot more from Alak. All of their designs are stunning. And the second piece I got from them is this gorgeous bracelet. These days I have been loving hand jewelry. So earlier I wasn't a big fan, but now I'm experimenting with my style, and bracelets and rings are something that I've started wearing a lot as well. So how it looks, very minimalistic design but such a statement piece. There's a loop right over here through which you can just lock it in on your wrist. This is how it looks. Absolutely stunning. I'm gonna keep it on for the rest of the video because I just love it. So Alak has really beautiful designs which can be styled with workwear. It can be easily worn in office as well without, you know, being a bit too much. So that's what I love about them. Alright, let's move on to the third and the final brand that I want to feature. It's called Jiha. They have their own website through which you can place your orders directly. Just go to their Insta handle, their website link is in their bio, and you can directly order from there. Let me show you what all I got from Jiha. I am an earring holder. You all obviously already know that. So I got one earring. This is like a chain earring. These are really lightweight. मतलब दिखने में बहुत heavy लग रहा होगा, but these are very lightweight. You're not even gonna feel you're wearing some. It's not gonna pull on your earlobes at all. So yeah, this is the first piece that I got. The second piece that I got is such a bold and such a classy necklace. It's this one. Just look at it. giving me such a boss babe vibe, like a baddie. But I absolutely love this. This again is very lightweight. Don't go on how it looks. It's very weightless. And then I got this matching earring set. बिल्कुल उस necklace से match करता हुआ. Absolutely love it. Weightless, as I said earlier. And the last piece from Jiha is this layered necklace. This is in rose gold color, and I didn't have anything in rose gold color, so I thought I'll buy this one. This is so stunning, so beautiful, very versatile, can go with any outfit. और किसी basic outfit को भी ये बहुत ही उलाला वाला touch दे सकता है. So this is one piece that I definitely wanted. So these were all the stores that I wanted to share with you guys today. You guys should definitely check them out. As I said earlier as well, the price range is also superb. I mean, it's very pocket friendly, and for the kind of designs that you get, I think they absolutely justify it. So yeah, this was everything I wanted to include in this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know which one was your favorite piece in the comments down below. Please like this video and share with your friends and family who are jewelry hoarders like me, unapologetically. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys stay safe, take care, and I'm gonna go now. Gonna shop a little bit more. I've got a few pieces lying in my wish list for every brand. So bye, see you.